Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync iGPSPORT to Strava. First, open your iGPSPORT companion app or visit their official website. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found under Profile or Account. Look for a section labeled Third-Party Services or Connected Accounts. From the list of available platforms, select Strava. This initial step establishes the pathway for your activity data to flow seamlessly between the two services, making your fitness tracking much more integrated. Once you've selected Strava, a new window or browser tab will open, prompting you to log into your Strava account. Enter your credentials and proceed. You'll then be asked to grant iGPSPORT permission to access your Strava data, such as activities and profile information. Carefully review these permissions and click Authorize or Allow. This crucial step securely links your accounts, ensuring that your ride and run data can be transferred without any hitches, typically within a few seconds. After successful authorization, your iGPSPORT activities should automatically sync to Strava shortly after you complete and save them on your device. You can verify this by checking your Strava activity feed. If, for any reason, an activity doesn't sync automatically, you can often manually upload the activity file. Most iGPSPORT devices allow you to export files in formats like FIT, GPX, or TCX, which can then be uploaded directly to Strava's website, providing a reliable backup method. If you encounter any syncing issues, first ensure both your iGPSPORT device and the companion app have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, simply disconnecting and then reconnecting your Strava account within the iGPSPORT settings can resolve problems. Also, regularly check for and install any firmware updates for your iGPSPORT device, as these often include bug fixes and improved compatibility. These simple checks can save you time and ensure your hard-earned efforts are always recorded on Strava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.